Okay, let's go through this real quick. I mentioned that I would try to let you guys see what I did to connect to my BBS, or the BBS that I have on the TARPN, and great, QT term doesn't want to stay up. So anyway, so let's see how many issues I can have with this thing before it works like it was yesterday. I had this running pretty much all day. It just keeps crashing. I shouldn't need to do that. Start. Yeah, you can see it launching and drying. There it is. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go, this is QT term, or sorry, Q term PCP, and or QT term TCP, and I'll leave a description in the video. This is, once you launch it, you go into setup and then KISS setup. And basically all you're going to do is select the device and the speed. Now I happen to know that the TARPN, or sorry, the N76 is connected on COM23 at 9600. And I'll show you that real quick in the configuration. Ignore all of this mess. In COM ports, see these serial over Bluetooth links. COM22 is a different device that I have connected. I can't remember what it is. But anyway, and COM23, I think it might be the boot. No, I don't think so. Anyway, here's your Bluetooth link for the N76. Now on the N76, you have to go in, and I'm not going to demo that because I frankly don't know how to capture the video of or me setting up a radio. I don't have that many cameras and all of that fancy stuff that some of the other guys have. I would refer you to TO's video on setting up KISS mode in there. One thing you do is you do go into the HT app, you set it up in KISS mode, and then you exit or disconnect the phone from the radio. So you use the phone app, connect with TNC or connect with KISS, and pair, and then drop it. Then you pair your N76 with your Windows machine, and I think, let me see if I can do that without too much trouble. Go into settings, over here, devices, and you will see here's the Vero N76. It looks like a audio connection, which maybe I guess it is, but anyway, so and so here you see the N76 paired in over Bluetooth, and I just happen to know because I watched it when it came in. I got this Bluetooth link over or this standard serial over Bluetooth on COM23 when I did it. So when I get COM23 and COM23 is there, and I set it, it's 9600 baud, click OK. I'm not sure the baud rate really matters, but then you do a KISS connect, and my BBS is N5SKT-7, and click OK. And sorry, it is going to be making the noise because it's picking up on the speakers. So I am connected to the BBS. It's quick because that is a huge antenna out there. It's 30 2 feet, 34 feet high, and it's an Ed Fong J pole that's connected to the 150 RASP. So the 150 puts out that many watts. But anyway, so there I am. I'm connected, and basically if I type, I think it's BBS, right? And of course it sends the data over. So you can, not only can you see it, but you can hear it, because of my stupid Bluetooth speakers are picking it up whenever the radio transmits. But anyway, so there I am. I'm connected to the Bluetooth, or to the TARPN, and that's basically, or this is the setup on this machine. Now I'm going to try and virtual over to the other machine, if it will respond. I think this is it. Yeah. No. Oh yeah, okay. Maybe so. Yep, this is it. Now, hopefully it will come up and we will see a screen. No, it did not. Can I do this via SSH? I think so. Let's try PuTTY. The issue I'm having is when I'm running VNC, it's pretty tight. 2.168.1.147. Yes, that's fine. Okay. This one's called Serial Beast. So let me see, where is the setup on this thing? So forgive me because oh, that's right, it's not in here, it's a different user. Sudo bash, and if y'all don't know what that means, what it's basically doing is running the bash shell as root. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Let me see. LinBPQ, I believe it's what it's called. Yeah. So the files are under here. This is, and I will link you to a video on setting this up, because again, that's not what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is show you to the videos that I have followed. Now, all of the configs and backs and all of that stuff that's in here is not stuff you type in. This is stuff that it figures out when you start it the first time. So the main configuration is in here. And if you go to, and the person here that I followed is called the Modern Ham. He's been doing Packet BBSs and playing around with Packet for a few months, and so he went in and said, you know, and he has this configuration both in a video and on a blog, so you can literally cut and paste this stuff in. Obviously, when you cut and paste it in, it's not going to have your call sign, your information about where your location and all of that stuff. So you'll have to go in and edit this and do it. So now there may be something in here. I can't remember. There may well be a password in here. If it is, I'll change it. I need to change it anyway. or it may be that it's not in here. Anyway, this first one is setting the radio up. Here's your COM port. That is where the TARPN shows up when you plug it in with the USB. In general, that is where it's going to be. Most of the stuff here I copied in. The speed is 57,600, which is just part of the TARPN, and then in port. Now, he's got a second one set up here for Telnet. You can actually Telnet in. And by the way, see, I told you there's a password in here. I'll change that later. And again, all of this is cut and paste from his website. And he also directs you where to go to download the software, all of that stuff. So again, I'm not going to go into that. I just wanted to run through a quick video and let you know where things are, and demo the fact that yes, it does work. It's extremely simple to do, and the people that I've referenced, both TO and our Temporarily Offline's channel, and the Modern Ham, both of them, you just kind of put those two together, and it works. The BPQ TCP, or sorry, the QT TCP is essentially from a website it's basically the same website that you download LinBPQ, which is actually the BBS software that's running on the Linux box over there. And I will put a picture in the video of the Linux box and show you that. And anyway, that's, hopefully this is as much information as you need. If not, certainly hit me in the comments. Most of you guys can catch me on Discord. I'm in Toads quite a bit. I'm in HRCC Discord, Ham Radio Crash Course Discord, all of those Discords. You can message me, send me a private message if you need to, and I'll be glad to help if I can. Just let me know, and I'll do what I can to help. Given that what time I actually have to devote to various things, but I should be able to. Well, I'm sure I'll be able to jump on Discord and help somebody with something. So if needed, I can probably jump onto a chat, Zoom or whatever you want, and try to go through something with you if you need to. But anyway, hope you guys try this out. It's a lot of fun. I've kind of let my club around here know that I've done it, but I'm not sure anybody's actually playing with it. So anyway, I am going to modify this because you are not say modified. I'm going to add to it because you can actually set up you can have this BBS running like I have here on 2 meters, and then I believe in Modern Ham's config, he also has one connected to an HF radio and is running Packet on HF. And being able to do both would just be a really nice thing to do, and something I'd really like to be able to do. So anyway, hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video if you can. If you got something out of it, I'd appreciate it. 73, this is Don, N5SKT.